everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I am here in Ambacon Spring and Green Resort located at Barangay Banbanan, Dapitan City. Now let's join me to explore these beautiful places. This place was very beautiful. There's a lot of many things to do and to see. And also, as you can see, there are many different cottages and benches to sit and relax. So this is the washing area where you can wash before going to swim in the pool. So this area has a lot of many things to do, like taking pictures here and everywhere. This is where the bathroom is. This is for the female and this is for the male. So this is where the eating area is. So these are what we call Kananan sa Banbanan. The pool here in Ambacon Spring. As you can see, the water is very clean and clear. So this is what they call hot kawa here in Ambacon. So this is the nature here in Ambacon. The water here is color green but clear. The balay sa Ambacon. So this is where the butterfly garden is. So this is where the coffee and tea bar is. Also have a pool here. The water is also clean and clear. The Ambacon Spring and Green Resort was very beautiful places where you can relax. So thank you for joining me on my tour vlog. I hope this video can inspire you to visit this place. See you next time!